Hello and welcome to Module 1 of Product Management, an introduction to product management of our course. I'm Savan Kumar and I'll be guiding you through this exciting journey into the world of product management. In this first lesson, what is product management? We'll explore the definition and scope of product management and delve into the diverse roles that product managers play across various industries. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of what product management entails and why it is a pivotal function in today's business. So, what is product management? Let's start with the basics. At its core, product management is the process of guiding a product from its inception through its launch and beyond. It involves understanding customer needs, defining product features, collaborating with cross-functional teams, and ensuring that the product meets both market demands and business objectives. Talking about the key components of product management, vision and strategy, setting the long-term direction of the product, road mapping, planning the sequence of product features and releases, and execution, working with teams to build and launch the product. And last but not the least, it's evaluation, analyzing product performance and iterating based on the feedback. The scope of product management. The scope of product management is broad and multifaceted. It intersects with various departments such as engineering, marketing, sales, and customer support. So here is a breakdown of its key areas. Market research, understanding market trends, customer needs, and a competitive landscape. Product development, collaborating with designers and engineers to create the product. Go-to-market strategy, planning the launch, marketing, and sales strategies. And lifecycle management, managing the product through different stages from introduction to growth, maturity, and decline. For an example, consider a smartphone manufacturer. The product manager here would oversee everything from identifying customer preferences for new features, coordinating with the engineering team to develop those features, planning the marketing campaign for the launch, and eventually managing updates or discontinuation of the product. Now, let's dive into the role of a product manager, that is you. While titles and responsibilities can vary across organizations, the core functions remain consistent. Core responsibilities are like being a visionary leader, defining the product vision and ensuring it aligns with the company's goals, being a customer advocate, representing the voice of the customer in all product decisions, being a strategist, while developing strategies to achieve product goals and drive growth, and a facilitator, bridging gaps between different departments to ensure smooth product development. Now, that's the entire role of the product manager summarized into four small categories. According to a 2023 survey by Product Management Institute, 85% of companies reported that effective product management significantly contributes to their success. So, what more reasons are you looking forward to? Moving on to the next one is product manager in various industries. Product managers are essential in virtually every industry, be it softwares, hardwares, because even if it's a service, it's a product, right? For example, let's look at a few of the sectors like technology. At a software company like Microsoft, a product manager might oversee the development of a new feature for Office 365, ensuring it meets user needs and integrates seamlessly with existing tools, with the key focus on innovation, user experience, and technology feasibility. Second could be the healthcare sector. Example could be in a pharmaceutical company like Pfizer, a product manager could be responsible for a new drug, coordinating clinical trials, regulatory approvals, and market launch strategies. The key focus might be on compliance, safety, and effectiveness. Third sector could be consumer goods. For an example, at a company like Procter and Gamble, a product manager might manage a new line of eco-friendly cleaning products, focusing on sustainability and consumer trends. Key focus could be on market trends, branding, and supply chain management. The fourth sector could be finance. In a bank like JP Morgan Chase, a product manager could develop a new digital banking feature, enhancing customer convenience and security. The key focus could be on security, regulatory compliance, and customer satisfaction. A report by Glassdoor shows that product managers are among the top 10 highest paying roles in tech industry, highlighting the importance and demand for this position. Now, what are the skills that you need to excel as a product manager? Certain essential ones. And here are some of the key competencies. Communication. Clearly conveying ideas and requirements to diverse teams. That's important. Analytical thinking. Making data-driven decisions based on market research and performance metrics. Leadership, inspiring and guiding teams towards a common goal. Problem solving, addressing challenges and finding effective solutions. Technical understanding, that is grasping the technical aspects of product development, especially in tech-focused industries. Let's take an example. Imagine you are a product manager for a new mobile application. You will need to communicate the app features to developers, analyze user feedback to improve functionality, lead your team to meet deadlines, solve any technical issues that arise, and understand the underlying technology to make informed decisions. That's how wide the scope of being a product manager is. Jumping on to a few real world examples, let's consider Airbnb. When Airbnb decided to expand its services to include experiences, activities hosted by locals, the product manager played a crucial role. They conducted market research to understand what travelers were looking for, collaborated with local hosts to design unique experiences, coordinated with marketing to promote the new service, and continually gathered feedback to refine the offerings. The outcome? This strategic move not only diversified Airbnb's offerings, but also significantly increased user engagement and revenue. Now, it showcases how a product manager's decision can drive substantial business growth. To wrap up, let's review the key points we have covered in this lesson. The definition of product management, a comprehensive process guiding a product from conception to launch and beyond. The scope of product management encompasses market research, product development, go-to-market strategies, and lifecycle management. The role of a product manager, he acts as a visionary leader, customer advocate, strategist, and facilitator across various industries. Industry examples like product managers are vital in technology, healthcare, consumer goods, finance, and more. Essential skills: communication, analytical thinking, leadership, problem solving, and technical understanding are crucial for success. Remember, effective product management is a key driver of business success, with 85% of companies acknowledging its significant impact. I don't see a better reason of or a better way of understanding the importance of product management. Thank you for joining me in this introduction to product management. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section, and see you in the next lesson.